Hey guys and welcome back. My name is Kazamordi and in this video I'm planning to teach you about very interesting stuff. I'm going to teach you about what is polymorphism in the Dart. One concept that OOP has is polymorphism. It means an object can have multiple forms. For example, an object can be a parent, a mother, a girl in her family, a mother for her child, and for example a nurse in her work time. So a mother, a girl can have multiple forms. In a program we also have this concept. An object can have multiple forms at the same time. For example, a car can be an electric car, a petrol car, or even an animal can be one of the, for example, dog, cat, and any other stuff. So we have the same concept in the programming, and super easy to understand. Let's go ahead and uh, see what exactly is polymorphism in your code. So in order to learn what's polymorphism, first I'm going to create a class. I'm going to create a class called animal, which is the general parent class of every other classes, which only have a single method called it, for example, that it only do one thing called, for example, eating food, eating, or animal is eating. Okay, it's super easy to understand. And I'm going to call and create another class. I'm going to call a class called dog, which inherits from the animal class. When it inherits from the animal class, it need to override. For example, the dog can is different for other type of, for example, fish eat fish food, a dog eat dog food. So the dogs and has a different kind of that have a different kind of eating. So I'm going to create a function called eat, okay, which actually override something. Each and when we call override, okay, when we set an override annotation, we mean that um, the Dart interpreter go to the animal class and change this function over here. So when we call this it should change. It should run the code that we have in here, not the parent class. So I'm going to call dog is eating. Super simple, okay? And for using it, it's really easy. First, we are going to call animal class, and let me call create a dog class, okay? Dog, which instantiate dog class, and then I'm going to use dog dot eat to run the code. So when I run the code, you will see that dog is eating is shown over the console, but seems that there's some problem with the internet. Let's wait. As you see, the dog is eating, and if you write animal class, animal for the animal class, when we run the animal is eating, you'll see that it should show animal is eating in the console. Let's create another class which exactly show what actually we need to do. So we learn in this part that we need to write override annotation in order to override the method for the parent class. And for that, if you do not write the annotation, if I comment this part, and you will see that the dog class is the return the same code as the animal class. So the method doesn't override at all. So let's wait and see. Super slow. I'm not sure why the internet is slow right now. Let's wait. As you see, the result has returned the same result as the parent class, which is the animal is eating. So if you do not override this code over here, you will get the same result as the parent class. Let me write another example for you. For example, we have a car class which has a method called power on, for example. Let me call it power. What it does, it only power run on petrol. Okay, petrol. Okay, and if we have another type of car, for example, I'm going to create a car, for example, BMW. Okay, which extends from car class. And also we have another class, for example, Tesla, which extend from car class. But Tesla have a different type of run. When we want to run the power on the car, we run it on electricity, not the um, petrol. So I'm going to override this method, and I'm going to call electricity. Okay, electricity. Okay, so let me create classes. A, for example, B. Let me create B, A, BMW, and Tesla. I'm going to just copy each one of them over there, so in order to reduce the time for recording this video. So as you see, um, the the console show different type of console for each one of the cars. One of them run on the petrol, which exactly what it does for BMW, because it's an old car. Most of the car run on the petrol, so I use the petrol as a general term for all the cars. But some exceptional cars such as Tesla only run electricity. So we override that method for that car. This is exactly what I want to teach you. And there is nothing more to talk about the polymorphism. An object can have multiple forms. It can be car, it can be a petrol car, electricity cars or Tesla, and any other type of car. And that's it for now. And if you like my videos, please consider leaving a like or even comments on my video. Thank you for watching and happy coding.